My name's Amber, and today I'm going to show you my makeup routine. First, I just take my foundation. This is Born This Way foundation, and I just put it all over my face. All the products are going to be linked below, so you're going to have no worries finding everything. I'm just not going to say everything. After, I'm going to take this palette that I got from Shein, and I'm going to do my eyebrows with it. And I'm going to take my Milani concealer, and I'm going to also thin them. I try to do my eyebrows as thin as possible. And now I'm just blending in my concealer. I usually try to get my under eyes really concealed, and now I'm just doing my cat eye. I use eyeshadow in an angled brush, whatever I really can find. You just gotta really keep drawing thin lines until you get it right. Then I take some highlighter and I put it where my eyeshadow should be. I also put highlighter on my nose, and I take some eyeshadow for some contour and I just dab it on my nose. And I blend it in, and it just gives a subtle nose contour look. Then I take my eyeshadow palette and I use the color white and I put it all over. Then I line my lips with something brown, and I use this lipstick called Seductive Sienna. It's really good. It gives you such a nice like natural red. And then I take my mascara. I just use any mascara really, and I get busy. For me, lashes are the longest part because it just takes so long to perfect them. If you want long lashes, you really have to get in there and literally brush your eyelashes. I like to do my bottom and my top eyelashes, but if you want to just do your top, that's perfectly fine. Doing your eyelashes just at the top really does give it a different look, so if you want to switch your makeup look up, I'd change between both of them. After I'm done with my mascara, I have no setting spray in the car, but this is the final look. For my outfit, I have these flare leggings on, this blue skirt from Shein, this little jacket thing from Shein. I actually think everything is from Shein. I took some pictures for my Instagram. You should follow me on that if you haven't, and that's it. Okay, so all the way back, this is the full look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.